is all you'll need to make some delicious lemon biscuits. Egg, butter, a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice, baking powder, caster sugar, plain white flour, and some mixed peel, some candied peel it is. If you want to make your own, look in my other videos. I'm going to show you how to make candied lemon peel. First thing we're going to do, soften up your butter in the microwave. Then it's in with the sugar, and then we're going to mix those together until they're nice and creamy. Once there's something like that, time to go in with your egg, and then you're going to mix that in as well. After your eggs mixed in, time to go in with your lemon juice and your candied peel. If you haven't got any candied peel, then the zest of a couple of lemons should do it. Just get those mixed in. So, in with your flour and baking powder, we're going to sieve that in there. A pinch of salt, then mix these together until they form a sort of dough. Once you've mixed them and you've got a sort of dough, if you find it's a bit wet, just keep adding a bit more flour into it until it becomes dough-like, like that. Then what you're going to do, you're going to cover that and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours to stiffen up. Once your dough is firmed up in the fridge, time to flour your work surface, get out your rolling pin, and then get your dough. You're going to roll that until it's about 1/4 centimetre. When you roll it to the thinness that you want, it's time to get out your cookie cutters, or you can use numbers if you want to cut some numbers for the kids. If you haven't got one of these cutters, just use an upside down glass or something, just to be able to cut it out. And all the raggedy edges there, don't worry about cutting them. So what you're going to do, cut them, roll them back up, and then roll them again with a rolling pin. When you've done all your cutting, it's time to get them onto some grease-proof paper. Preheat your oven to 180, and then they're going in there for around only 10-12 minutes. Just keep an eye on them, then you'll see them start to turn brownish after 10 or 12 minutes, and that's when to bring them out and let them cool down. When they come out of the oven, it's time to put them on a cooling rack. And if you want, you can just finish them off with a bit of icing sugar.